Vivo will unveil its new S50 Pro Mini to the market. Now we are unboxing of this amazing phone. A USB cable, a fast charging adapter. Talk about the backside design. The phone gets a pill-shaped horizontal rear camera module. The display is a LTPO AMOLED panel with 6.31 inches screen size. There will be flagship grade chip, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, 12 and 16 GB of RAM, and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. It features a versatile triple camera setup. Battery will be 6500 mAh. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.